Head up to your window, go to Essential Graphics. A new panel will open up. Here you can set the name of the MoGraph. Remember to make sure you have the correct composition selected. To start out, it's nice to hit this little button here to solo the property to see what is available. But once you get the hang of it, you can just go straight into the layer. So we want to select this text here. Let's go ahead and drag the source text into our panel. Very nice. Next is this little cuff here. It's in a nested comp. Hit E for effects, and I want this color. Drag it in. Next up is the OK. There's a checkbox here. Boom. Just dragging it in. Very nice. And a nice little position layer here. You can see as I move, turn things on and off, change the color. It is all good. All good. Hit play. Boom. Still works as expected. Still works. Smiley face. Boom. Hit export. Save. Local folder. You can choose a local folder or set it somewhere you know where it is and import it manually. This will do it automatically, which is real nice. Hit replace. Don't want to do that. Okay. Head back over to Premiere. Drag it in. Boom. It's in. It's ready to roll.